Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to log in as a guest in Microsoft Teams. Now to log in as a guest, you typically don't need to log into the Teams application first. Okay, like this. What you need to do is just copy the link or you just click on it, okay, on your browser. I'll do this on an incognito browser so you can see I'm not logged into anything. You just click on that link or you paste it there, and then where it says join your Teams meeting, click on continue on this browser. And then what you do, okay, it will redirect you right here. And for the access, a team owner must first add you as a guest to a specific team, or once you allow permissions here, you just type in your name, anything it is. So let's say just guest, right? I'm not logged in, as you can see. You can toggle on your camera if you want, computer audio, and then just click on join now. And the admin or the host will basically let you in when the meeting starts. Okay? Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.